Bitcoin and the crypto markets are in an absolute bloodbath. There's pandemonium everywhere. There's a lot of theories online about why Bitcoin and all of the crypto markets are completely crashing and in a complete free fall. There's a lot of theories like the Fed, inflation, interest rates, stock market crash, COVID, the war. There's all sorts of theories out there. But what if I told you every single one of them is wrong? This is the video about the real reason why Bitcoin and the crypto markets are crashing. You're gonna leave this video with a new sense of breath of fresh air, of actually knowing the facts of why this market is crashing, as well as my honest opinion on if we're going to keep crashing or is this over, and what is the state of the market right now, and what should we be doing as we speak. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I started in the stock market a little over 20 years ago. Back when I was just 16, I made every mistake in the book. And over the past 20 plus years, I learned how to dominate this game. And I'm here sharing my knowledge with you so you do not make all the ridiculous, silly mistakes that I did that lost me a lot of money when I was young. We've been in crypto space since 2017 right here on this channel, helping people just like you. Our main focus is to help people like you use your crypto to gain financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. We're gonna jump into a lot of different charts. I'm gonna tell you what these charts are saying, and then I'm gonna leave with my honest opinion. What's happening right now with this crash? What should we expect? Should we expect a further crash? Should we expect that this crash is over? What should we expect? I'm going to give my honest opinion, but we've got to start with the facts because again, there's so many theories out there, but they are all wrong. All of those theories are wrong, and here is finally the truth. So we start here with this chart on the weekly. Right now with Bitcoin, we've plummeted down here, right? And everyone's wondering, hey, it's because of this, it's because of that, it's because of this. Well, based on this chart right here, we have this beautiful bear flag formation that we covered here on the channel. This bear flag formation suggests just using, and again, this channel is about the facts in the charts and the largest moves in crypto. And the facts in the charts are, with this is a textbook bear flag, right? We come into this flag and we're in this flag pattern for over 100 days. And right here on this channel, about 2 months ago, we said that this is a bear flag. Does 100% of them break to the downside? No, but the high majority break to the downside. And when they do, we can simply take a measured move from our pole to know where we're going to break down to. And using that, we said about 2 months ago, hey, be prepared, we're about to break through, and we took a measured move of our pole, and that suggested we would plummet to a price of around 19,800. And lo and behold, Bitcoin plummeted to 20,000, just 20,000 and change. So my question is, if it is because of the Fed, if it is because of interest rates, if it is because of the stock market, did the Fed put us in this beautiful textbook bear flag? Did the Fed put us in here, put Bitcoin in here for over 100 days and then have us slightly break down and then plummet down to exactly the price that we were supposed to according to technical analysis? I don't think so. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. So if you're new to our channel and you missed this textbook bear flag and you didn't know we were supposed to plummet to the precise price that we did, you should probably hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss other large moves. That's what we focus on. We focus on the biggest moves. So men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. We have to pay a lot of respect to this chart because when you use simple TA, you can stay way ahead of the curve. Now, our next chart. Bitcoin had been holding this pattern for a year and a half, a little over a year and a half, holding textbook support on this level right here of about just under 29,000, right? It's been over a year and a half. And we said here on this channel, watch this level like a hawk. It's the most important level. And we just said, when we break this level, we made a video when we were just peeking our head below here. And we said, look, we haven't done this before. And if we break this level, we're going to free fall. It's not, we're going to fall slowly or it's methodical. It's a free fall. Why? Because the The facts in the charts are that we have no market structure until down here in this white line. And that's right around where we fell to. We fell to this white line. Why? It's not because of the interest rates or the stock market or the Fed. It's because of the respect of market structure, right? We have no market structure here. Even with a naked eye, you can see that we had a ton of market structure here, right? Even if you don't know a lot about TA, you can see that we always stayed above this line, right? And you can see that during this period here, we don't have a whole lot of market structure. We got a little bit here, okay? So we free fell all the way here. Not because of the Fed, not because of interest rates, because men lie, women lie, and the charts don't lie, right? So I'm going to go through a couple charts here, and then I'm going to give my honest opinion. But I want you to respect the charts. The charts tell everything, and then the news reacts to what price action is doing. But everything is priced into the chart. Now, let's look at our next one, the legendary Gaussian channel. So the Gaussian channel suggests on Bitcoin, once we get above the Gaussian channel, we usually go on a parabolic run. But once we come down from our parabolic run and touch the Gaussian channel, on average, it's about 1 year that we're stuck in quicksand. You can think of the Gaussian channel like quicksand, just pulling our ankles down, then pulling our knees down, and then pulling our hips down. That's what the Gaussian channel does to Bitcoin. And that's not my opinion. That's based on facts. We can go back all the way to 2011. When we came down in here, it was about a year before we recovered. We were inside the quicksand for about a year. 2014, we were in there for even longer than a year. But as soon as we had our parabolic run and came down, as soon as we just dip our toe into the quicksand, it pulls us down, right? So we said right here on this channel about 400 days ago, back here in May 2021, Bitcoin's in some trouble. At the time, nobody wanted to believe it. There were a lot of comments on all of our videos from the herd that there's no chance we would ever be stuck in quicksand for a year, that we're going to go to 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, a million. There was all sorts of predictions out there, but we weren't using our emotion. We were just, I look at the chart, I read the chart to you like a book, you take it for what it's worth. And the book was saying Bitcoin could be stuck in this quicksand for about a year. All right, here we are 400 days later, we're still stuck in quicksand. Okay, so 400 days ago, was the Fed making interest rates hike? Was there a stock market crash? Was there a war 400 days ago? The answer is no. So the men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. The reason Bitcoin is crashing, the facts are in the charts. This was already aligned a long time ago. And if you look for the clues, you would have been fully aware a long time ago that a major crash was coming. Okay, let's look at the next one. And again, I'm going to get into my honest opinion on what I think the state of the market is right now. But this is one of my most favorite charts. Okay, this is the stochastic RSI. And again, if you're new here and you missed this major crash, you didn't know it was coming, you are blindsided, you're looking at your portfolio and it's in shambles, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next major move, because the next major move is probably going to shock everybody. And I've got some pretty large videos just about to launch that are they're gonna knock your socks off a little bit. Now, stochastic RSI on the monthly. When we dip our head below here, it's incredibly rare. So we covered it extensively back in January because we dipped our head below here. It had only happened 2 other times, and both of them rhymed just like a book, okay? So we'll go back to 2014. We dipped our head below here. Right after that, we had a 50% rally. Got everybody really excited. And then we had a mega crash of 70-something%, okay? Fast forward exactly 4 years, 2018, we dip our head below here for the second time in history. Right after that, wow, 48% rally and then a 70-something% mega crash. It was pound for pound, move for move. So here we are exactly 4 years later, again, 2022. We dipped our head below here in January. Right here in this channel, we said, look, be prepared for some kind of a rally. We didn't have a crystal ball to have the exact percentage. We said, look out, it could be around 48 to 50 because that's what we did in the past. It turned out to be precisely 47. So we got, we said, stay level-headed. Everybody in the market's going to get really excited that we're going to new all-time highs. We were up at around $48,000. And we said, okay, it's time for the mega crash. Why? We just looked at the facts and the charts. If you look at the Gaussian channel, we changed from green to red while getting rejected from the median line. And when we've done that in the past, changed from green to red, rejection from median line, that's when the mega crash started to happen. That's when everybody was at their peak of excitement, and then the mega crash ensued. We actually did the same thing in 2014 as well. Green to red, rejection from median line. So if you look for the clues and you stay level-headed and you don't use emotion, men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. We have to give a lot of respect to the charts and the simple skill to be able to read them to you, right? That's the key. The key is not the news and the media and what they're trying to portray. But again, we had a 47% rally, and then we're in the midst of our mega crash, okay? And you can see the days down here. It took us about almost 600 days to recover back in 2014. 2018 took us about 400 days to recover, and we are less than 200 days into it. Now, what we have next is the NVT HV. We covered it right here on our channel. When you dip below your head below here and you come out in white, it spells mega crash. It's the next leg of a mega crash. So we were eyeing this level here, and obviously we broke it and we plummeted below. But it's not because of what the media was saying or whatever. It's just the facts and the charts. All right, Bitcoin has one major move a year, and it usually happens when our volatility is super low and our volatility dips below this yellow line. You can see, this is back here in 2017. So from 2017 to 2022, 5 years of data, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 6 times. So over the past 5 years, only 6 times we've dipped our head below here, and all of them happen to be the largest move of the year and the most important move of the year. Is that because of COVID? Is that because of the war? Is that because of interest rates? No, it's the facts and the charts. Okay, so this is why Bitcoin is in trouble. Bitcoin is in trouble because over a year ago, we got warning signs of the Gaussian channel, right? We got major warning signs of the Gaussian channel. And back in January, we got major warning signs that we were going to have a pretty large rally followed by almost a 70% mega crash. So men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. We've got one more chart to cover, and then I want to give my honest opinion of what's happening in the market so that you leave here with some sound knowledge. And again, we've got their death cross here. So this is the legendary 3-day death cross. Back in 2018, we covered it right here on our channel when we had this 3-day death cross back in 2018. And it was the same thing, right? At the time, the herd didn't want to believe us. They would come on our videos and say, this is crazy. We're never falling below 6K. There's no chance in hell. But we covered the facts and the charts. There was a large move coming, and it was going to be heavy to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. Right after the death cross, we plummeted in price, finding our bottom and then recovering. Okay, so 22, back here in early January, we started saying to everybody, hey, just be prepared. There's a 3-day death cross coming. It's projected to happen in many months from now. Don't be incredibly fearful now, but just be mentally ready, because these things, we don't play with them. We've only had a few of them in history. One of them back here in 2014, 2018, and now 2022. All right, so we had the death cross officially here, and then you can see what's happened since the death cross. But again, the men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. So you may be saying to yourself, I don't think I could ever read the charts like this. I don't think I can find these clues. I don't think I could do it. Maybe this is not in your skill set. But luckily for you, if you sign up to my courses, you will be able to do this. You will definitely be able to do this. And aside from that, you're going to have the tools and skills to know exactly when to buy and sell, because you're very stressed now learning when to buy and sell, and you're not doing a good job, and your portfolio is showing you a lot of stress. You're always looking at it's going down. I want to help you recover all those losses. My courses are a game changer. They'll put you on the right path. They'll tell you exactly when to buy and sell. They'll have you learn how to read the charts just like me. Step by step, simple and easy. And right now, our courses are on a major blowout sale because these are tough times for everybody. Crypto Crew University, sign up right here. This is the one that's flying off the shelves. You'll get trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email. You'll learn how to read the charts like me, recover your losses, dominate your trades, feel the joy of winning, gain financial freedom. Sign up right here, cryptocrewuniversity.com, in a massive discount with using crypto. All right. Now let's get to my honest opinion. My honest opinion is right now in the market, what I want you to look for is, what is the herd saying? Because when we were back up here, the herd was saying, hey, we're going to go to new all-time highs. You want to do the opposite of them. What you look for in market bottoms, and keep in mind, I traded and invested through the dot-com bubble, okay? And then I was trading and investing through the housing market crash in 2008. I've lived through a lot of these. I've invested and traded through a lot of these. And what always happens is the majority of the people will never buy near the bottom. They will never buy near the bottom because they're always waiting for prices to fall lower. Why? Because the herd shifts their tone to saying that we're going to go substantially lower. When you start to hear the high majority of people at the water cooler, wherever you are, talking with people in the comments, wherever you are, when the high majority of people are saying we're going substantially lower, that's when we've reached our bottom. That's when you really want to take this seriously, okay? Because it's the same people up here that saying we're going a lot higher. You want those people to say we're going a lot lower, okay? That's a major sign. And then when bottom is a major question, I've got incredible videos coming for you with the bottom. You definitely want to subscribe and stay tuned for that because those are going to be remarkable. But right now, we're in a free fall. And we found a little bit of support for the time being. It's going to become critical how we deal with this 20K, 19.5K level. How do we deal with that? And if we don't show respect to this level, we're going to free fall to this level. It's really simple, right? There's just two levels that we're going to play with. Either we stay at this level or we free fall to this one. It's not likely we go below this one for the time being. We need to see how the facts and the charts are. But again, right now, we are inside of the golden zone. This is the best time to ever buy Bitcoin, is in the golden zone. And we're deep in it, okay? Make no mistake, we're deep in the golden zone. These opportunities don't come around very often. There's a lot of brother in the streets, there's panic, but again, going deep in the golden zone, we're not there for very long, if ever, right? Every handful of years, we come and we dip our head deep in the golden zone for a little bit. And that's where we are right now. You may look back at this price we are right now, a few years from now, and say, man, I wish I didn't sit on my hands. My main lesson for you today is that the facts are in the charts. Everything is in the charts. Don't pay attention to the news. Don't pay attention to social media. Focus on the facts in the charts. Learn how to read the charts. Again, my program will take you step by step and you will dominate. You will start to dominate your trades. You will start to recover those losses. But again, education is the key. And then the second thing is, don't sit on your hands during the bear market. A lot of people will have this fake price in their mind. Maybe you have this price in your mind that we're going to get to 13.7, but maybe we never will. If you wait for a certain price, you're going to get destroyed. You have to react to the facts in the charts. And again, don't sit on your hands during the bear market. I'll leave you on that note. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Also, if you're a student, comment down below right now. If you took my program, the indicator bundle, the course bundle, the all-in-one, comment down below. What has it done for you, honestly? Where were you before? Where are you now? And if you haven't signed up, look for those stories. I want you to be next. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.